Hi guys, we're gonna work on our Germination Lab today. So you guys got a kit that has seeds in it. So you have wheat seeds and northern bean seeds. So the beans are actually just from the grocery store. They're dry bag of beans. What you're going to do, the whole process of germination is meaning that you're going to see if these seeds sprout. Germination is a process of plant growth starting. So what you guys have 4 rubber bands, the seeds, and you have paper towel. That's right, I sent you paper towel. The thing that you're going to need is a cup, preferably something more stable than a plastic cup because it might tip over. Like a glass one would be good, or a coffee cup. And you're going to have 2 paper towel rolls when you're done. I'm going to demonstrate with one because I'm pretty sure you'll get it. It's pretty simple. You guys also have a sheet that I printed off for you guys. I'm going to put it on Google Classroom too, but it basically, you got to look at this every 2 days. So I'm going to show you how to do it first. So the reason you would do this actually is maybe I have an old packet of seeds, or maybe I bought seeds and I'm not sure that they're going to sprout, and I don't want to plant a whole bunch of them and find out they don't work. Especially if I'm a farmer, I'll be wasting a whole lot of money. I could even do a small test with them if it's a big batch. And actually, companies do this. If you look at the back of a seed packet, it'll tell you the germination rate. So all I'm doing right now is I'm getting the seeds out, and all I really need is 10. I gave you more than 10. To be honest, I didn't even count them. I put a wad of seeds in there. If you don't have 10, it's okay. So you're going to tell me how many sprouted at the end of it. So I'm going to count out, there's 10. What I'm going to do, so I have my paper towel, and all I'm going to do, I'm going to back up my computer a little bit so you guys can see, I think. So I have my paper towel, and I'm going to line up my seeds. And don't get hung up on lining up your seeds. Some kids take way too much time doing that. And all I'm going to do is kind of put them in toward one edge. And then I'm going to roll it up. Okay? So I have them all toward one edge. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to roll this up. You don't have to do it while I'm doing it either. You can always pause me, replay it. Good times. So I'm going to take and put a rubber band on either end here, so that way my seeds don't fall out. So make sure there's no seeds at the end of this. It's pretty simple stuff. So the reason for doing this, basically these seeds, they have everything they need inside of them, the genetics to create a plant. We are going to activate this by putting them in water. So, and you don't have to label them. It's not like you're in a big group in a classroom. I know some of you have done this before, but you're going to take this, put it in the water. And what's going to happen, it's going to absorb the water. It's going to get heavy. So make sure you don't have anything under it that's going to get wet and ruined. Because if you have it like this, it's going to absorb the water upward, and sometimes it'll kind of drip over. The other piece to it, you don't want the water to all disappear. If it does, add more water to it. So note that you're going to check on this every couple days. Okay. There's also, that's part of your assignment, is that you're going to fill out that sheet. We're going to turn it in toward the end. And even have it dated for you. So if you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, here's hoping your seeds germinate.